Microsoft Outlook and Apple iCloud, two giants that never really worked well together, until now. Outlook has finally fixed iCloud synchronization for mail, calendar, and contacts across most devices. Let's see what's new and how to set it up step by step. Until now, adding your iCloud account to Outlook was a headache. You had to generate special app-specific passwords, deal with sync issues, and sometimes even install iCloud for Windows just to get your calendar or contacts working. But now, things just got a lot easier. Microsoft has added full iCloud login support using OAuth 2.0 authentication, the same secure system used by Google and other modern apps. Here's how to set up your iCloud account in the new Outlook apps. Step 1. Open the Outlook app. This works on Windows, new version, Mac, iOS, and Android. Step 2. Go to Settings, Add Account. Step 3. Type your iCloud email address. Step 4. Outlook will open a browser window, just sign in with your Apple ID. Step 5. When prompted, click Allow to give Microsoft Outlook access to your iCloud mail, calendar, and contacts. Step 6. Once you approve, you'll be redirected back to Outlook, and your iCloud account is automatically added. If you already had iCloud set up in Outlook before, you'll soon be asked to sign in again. This time it will switch to the new, secure OAuth 2.0 login automatically. The new iCloud login works on the new Outlook for Windows, Outlook for Mac, and all mobile versions. But there's one exception: the classic Outlook for Windows that comes with Microsoft 365 still doesn't support the new method. If you're still using the old Outlook desktop version, you'll need to continue with app-specific passwords for mail, and use iCloud for Windows for calendar and contacts. But Microsoft recommends switching to the new Outlook, which now includes built-in iCloud support and the new authentication system. This is a major improvement for iCloud users who rely on Outlook daily. No more password hassles or extra add-ins, just sign in, approve access, and you're done. Finally, Apple and Microsoft are playing nice. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.